nails done finally. And he was late.
Publix.
He do me any kind of way, telling me he was waiting on some damn rotisserie chicken.
Publix did it.
Why you ain't go to the place next door?
What place next door?
The Chinese place.
I don't want that.
You don't like that chicken over there?
No, I do. I can't eat fried shit.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home from the nail salon, and let me show y'all how I got my nails. I think they're so pretty. Let me turn y'all around. So here's my nails. They're just like a nice little nude color. This is color DC88, my favorite nude. This is the only nude that I ever get. So yeah, this is it. These are my nails. So right now, what time is it? It's about 6:30, and I'm just waiting on Ryan to get here because we have to go to the store to get everything that we need for our cooking video. Don't mind Lil Tony making all that noise in the background because he played a game with his friends and they get super turned. Okay, it's Friday night, child. Y'all know how it is. He probably on the game with one of y'all kids because child, they be tripping. I'll see y'all when my eye keeps watering. Y'all see that? Something got in my eye earlier. I'm supposed to do a mukbang today, but I decided to do it tomorrow instead. I usually don't record on Saturdays anymore, but I'll go ahead and record a mukbang to make up for today. So yeah, I'm just waiting on Ryan. He should be here any minute, so we'll just wait.
You know what? This ain't no luxury hotel.
Y'all hit him in there arguing.
Bruh. That's all you had to do.
They in here arguing about over chicken. Y'all, so we're getting ready to record our video for our cooking channel. We're doing a copycat. What is it, like the copycat version of the Popeye's chicken sandwich? That's what we're doing. So
Wait a minute.
y'all play too much. All right, y'all, so we'll see y'all at the store. We at the trap.
Over there.
Ryan's gonna vlog in public. He said he's not scared. Y'all know I never do this unless I'm on my phone. I never bring my camera out because people like to stare. They're nosy like they're doing right now. Get the camera, get the camera. No, okay.
Really?
I said, then that's not copycat. Y'all look at Ryan.
No, that's gonna be your own sauce. Mayonnaise, because they use Cajun mayonnaise, spicy mayonnaise.
I'm about to bump into the thing.
It's like, you're rich. So, this is what we're doing.
Let's get the bread.
That's what you do, you be doing. So.
You're not gonna take over my vlog. Okay, point.
But hey y'all, hold on, we're gonna point to the mug and bread.
All right, y'all. I'm back on the mic. So this is the bread that we're gonna use.
Who's that, Brochet?
Yes.
I know somebody named Brochet. Brochet. They were
wrong. Chicken thighs or chicken breasts? No, not really. Which one you want to do?
We don't know. Fix the camera. I'm gonna tell.
Y'all, this is really shaky. But everybody's staring at me. I'm putting the camera down by. Y'all, we don't know if we should get the breast, chicken breast, or the thigh. Because I watched a few videos and they did the chicken thigh and it actually looked pretty good. So ew.
We're gonna make a sandwich. We're gonna make a real good country chicken finger sandwich.
Copy down. We can do one chicken thigh, one chicken breast.
I'll take one. It don't taste the same thing.
It really
It's all
don't.
the same.
See, and then he keeps saying it's all the same, and then he gonna blame me
Good.
for not having chicken breast. Just get the small one. That's tenderloin.
All of them said tender fat.
Yeah, these are the
Chicken
ones
thigh.
that's cut up, so we gotta get like a little small. Get like one of these.
Is it boneless though? Is the question. They don't say if it's boneless or not.
It's fine, cause we gonna cut it in
boneless,
half
skinless,
anyway.
yeah.
Seasoned chicken batter, or you want?
I think the seasoned chicken batter would be like lit because it's like more straight from Florida. It'll be better because we don't have to
So what other seasons you're talking about?
get the
The milk that you're.
get the
Oh, I got the seasoned flour already. Y'all see how short I am compared to her? You was being real rich.
oh.
Hey, shout me out. Hey, my nigga. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
So we're gonna get some cornflakes. What's the cereal? The cereal. Some cornflakes and make it real flaky.
We need the sliced pickles because that's what they have on the Popeye sandwich.
I don't like my pickles to touch.
Do we want to get some?
We passed by the cornflakes.
Do we want to get some like sweet butter?
Sweet butter.
Like, don't they have like the honey bun?
The honey buns are on the other. Ow.
Look how you holding the camera all up
What?
your nose.
Ooh,
You hold it straight.
Ooh, what's in there? We passed by the. Okay, then. Goodness. I'm trying to find that.
Turn it to them.
Oh yeah, I want to see what we're looking at. What? No, we ain't gonna get frosted flakes, boo. Corn flakes.
Oh, well that's down there.
I'm looking for that. Y'all ever had that sugar cookie cinnamon toast crunch? I don't see it. I am, and I don't see it. Okay. It's not frosted flakes. Oh goodness, should we do Great Value? Since we ain't gonna be eating it, we're just using it for them. Great Value. Don't come for me in my comments.
This boy looking for sugar cookies. We supposed to be getting milk. And he rushing y'all because he told me he got a date. With who? Put all your business online. I don't drink no whole milk now.
I got
It's still regular.
You missed the bully. It's a little fat.
That don't matter. It's from a cow. I like to have. All right, y'all. So we're back from the store. So we picked up some hamburger dill chips, chicken thighs, chicken breasts. These are mine. My cucumbers, some almond milk, some olives. These are mine. Oatmeal raisin cookies. These are mine. Some corn flakes. These are mine. No. And then we picked up some brioche buns.
What's up?
Hey guys, it's Sharika.
And Ryan, and welcome to Table for Two. All right, y'all. So today we are.
Okay, y'all. So we're getting ready to. Tony, you gonna do it? I'm vlogging. I'm not just not for the. I'm doing two things at once. Something's wrong with the deep fryer.